Hello and welcome. Today we are going to find out how to register and open an account on Snapchat. To start, we'll download its application. For an iPhone, it's from the App Store, and for an Android, from the Play Store. In the search bar, type Snapchat, select it and install it. After its installation, we open it. When it opens, we'll directly press at the bottom on Sign Up. To begin, the application asks us to activate certain authorizations, then invites us to enter our first name and last name. Once indicated, we confirm by pressing Sign Up and Accept. Immediately, we are asked our date of birth. By pressing Continue, we are then offered a username. If it doesn't suit us, it's nevertheless possible to modify it, subject to its availability on the platform. Going to the next step, enter the password you want to use for the connection, respecting the security instructions. Following, there are two possibilities for our registration, or using our phone number, or with our email address. For this example, it will be from this one. On the next screen, we offered to find our friends by scanning the list of our contacts saved on our phone. In this case, we press Continue. If this doesn't suit us, we can still ignore this step by pressing Skip at the top right of the screen. And we confirm our choice. Same the thing for the creation of our Bitmoji, which is an animated character similar to our appearance. Last thing, the application asks us once again to authorize access to certain features of our mobile phone. Finally, we arrive on the home screen of the application, offering us directly to create content. Otherwise, through the various tabs at the bottom, it's possible to find our friends on a map, to access messaging, to consult the stories of our contacts, or the video content of the many Snapchat users.